What's up, what it do? It's good with you. It is ZerBeauty9825 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be showing you all my makeup collection. So this is like a mini makeup collection because I am like a beginner's makeup person, and I'm going to try to get as straight to the point as possible. I made a video like this before, but it wasn't all my makeup. I was just basically showing suggestions of stuff that I think every beginner's makeup person should have or like buy first, because a lot of people want to start doing makeup but don't know exactly what to buy. So I will link that video in the last 20 seconds of this video that you can check that one out. I mean, that was a long time ago, so don't judge me on any editing that was bad or how I looked, all of that. But yeah, that was one of my first videos, but I think now that I got more makeup, I just feel like I should show you all. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is my makeup brushes. So I won't go through like every makeup brush, but I have a little foundation brush in there. I have eyeshadow brushes. I have eyebrow stuff. And I kind of want to explain to you like a DIY of how you can like make one of these. Not make it, but like make your eyebrow cases fit into something. So what I did was I went to Walmart, or you can go to the dollar store, you can go anywhere, and they actually sell these little glass things for $1, and they have different shapes that you can choose from and everything, but I just chose this shape. And so what I did was spend a total of $2 just to make this little makeup holder. And I picked up a glass, which again I recommend Walmart actually, because I know the dollar store will probably be limited in the shapes, so Walmart has like so many shapes for $1. And I also got these marbles for $1 at Walmart. You can pick any color that you want to. I just kind of picked a neutral color because I just have white on my desk. And then I got golds because I have brown other makeup cases. So yes, that's also a little DIY tip if you want to know. I only spent $2 to make this. Then I have 2 of these actually, and I'm just going to kind of go through the first one. And I got these for $6 at Target. So the first drawer is like all my eyebrow stuff, all of my like eyeliner and mascara. And then of course I have stuff, other makeup that is in my makeup bag, and I also have a video on that, so go check that out as well. And then in the second drawer I have everything that has to do with eyelashes. So I have my eyelashes in here, my eyelash curler, my eyelash glue, different you know, eyelash tools like this, and then I have a tweezer in there somewhere. And then the last drawer is basically dedicated to my foundation. So I got like, how many? I have 5 foundations, 4 Maybelline Fit Me ones, and then the Neutrogena one. And then I also have my primer because that's just what I would do before my foundation. And then I have a couple of makeup brushes, sponges, the wedge kind, and then the like beauty blenders. So that's all that I have in this one. Then I also have one that is the same color and everything. And in this drawer I have stuff to do with eyeshadows, and then I have a couple like makeup misting set, so you know, my setting spray. And then I also have a daily brush cleaner, so this is just, you know, to clean off my brushes. So I have that in there, and I have a couple, I also have this cooling under eye refresh in there, along with my glitters and other eyeshadows. And I also have that Wet n Wild blush in there, only because I didn't know where else to put it. This thingy that I used in my giveaway, or my $20 makeup challenge video. And then in the second drawer of this, I have everything that has to do with like my lips. So I have like colored lip glosses, I have my lipsticks, some stuff that I got in my Ulta Beauty kit around like Christmas time. I have all of that stuff in there. And then in my lash drawer I have like my concealer stuff, but I also have my finishing powder with my finishing powder sponge, my eyeshadow primer, and then the rest is literally concealer. Just all types of different concealers, the squeeze bottle, concealer sticks, the Maybelline Fit Me stick ones, all of that. So that is all that is in the drawers. And then I have my eyeshadow palettes, which is my Morphe palette, my Academy of Colors palette, and then my LA Colors palette, which I love all 3 of these so much. And then I pretty sure I introduced you guys to this before, but this is basically the Ulta Beauty box that came out around like Black Friday time. And I just kind of open it, and it's just like a whole bunch of eyeshadows in the middle. Then it has like eyebrow creams and gels, concealers at the bottom. The bottom is like a whole bunch of highlighters and bronzers. And then everything that's on the empty space is stuff that was in there as well, because it's mostly just like a lot of lip liners or lip glosses and stuff like that. So some more things that I have is this Profusion Pro Eyes palette, and I got this again around Christmas time, and it's kind of messed up. This was like the stuff that I most definitely started off with. Like, as you can see, that's what I started off using. My brows, doing my brows is like empty. But there's concealers in there that got a little messed up. I don't use this anymore. And then I have more eyeshadows in there, which these colors are actually so bomb. I don't know why I haven't been using it. But yeah, just another like eyeshadow palette with other stuff. And then I have more like sponge wedges in there, along with a couple of setting powder sponges as well. I have 2 makeup wipes. So I have the makeup wipes that I always use. This one is not open. Actually, I have 3 because there's another one up there. And then I have an e.l.f. the makeup remover cleansing. Then I also keep my vanity mirror over here, usually just on top of one of my drawers or next to my makeup brushes. And then one of the last things that I have in my makeup collection is this highlighting makeup case, and it actually comes with the brush, but that brush is actually in my makeup little case. And then I just have these different highlighters, so you can tell which ones I use the most. These 2. That is all for my makeup collection. I really hope that it wasn't rushed. I just didn't want to go through like every product, but I kind of just wanted to give people a little idea if they're just starting out makeup, what they can buy, especially since my makeup collection is not that drastic. And I also just wanted a video to come back to when I grow and I'm like, wow, I actually had such little makeup back then. But yes, that is my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have a video of your makeup collection that you want to check out, just most definitely comment below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you can comment below. And in the last 20 seconds of this video, there's a picture in the left corner of myself, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. Also, in the right corner, there's always more content that you can watch. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.